Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and easy corn soup. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need about 4 cups of fresh or frozen corn, 1 medium onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. For the liquid base, have 4 cups of vegetable broth ready. To achieve that wonderful creamy texture, we'll use 1/2 cup of heavy cream or milk. Finally, season with salt, black pepper, and a pinch of cayenne pepper for a little kick. Let's get cooking. Now, let's build the flavor foundation for our soup. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil or butter in a large pot over medium heat. Once shimmering, add your chopped onion and sauté it gently until it becomes translucent and soft, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Next, stir in your minced garlic. Cook this for just 1 more minute until you can smell its wonderful aroma. Be careful not to let the garlic brown, as it can turn bitter. With our aromatics ready, it's time to add the main ingredients. Pour in your 4 cups of corn and the 4 cups of vegetable broth. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to a low simmer. Let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, allowing all those delicious flavors to meld together beautifully. Once simmered, use an immersion blender to puree the soup directly in the pot until it's wonderfully smooth and creamy. If you don't have one, a regular blender works too. We're almost there. For that luxurious finish, stir in your 1/2 cup of heavy cream or milk. This adds a wonderful richness and velvety texture. Now is the perfect time to taste and adjust the seasonings. Add salt, black pepper, and that pinch of cayenne pepper to your preference. Gently heat the soup for another 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring it doesn't boil after adding the cream. Serve hot, perhaps garnished with some fresh chives or cilantro. Enjoy your homemade corn soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.